An integral component of the Regulatory and Laboratory Training System, RLTS, is the National Curriculum Standard, or NCS. The NCS is a visual grid or depiction of the human and animal food regulatory profession, shown on the left, and the laboratory profession, shown on the right. The grids display the topics, or content areas, in which human and animal food professionals need to be proficient. Within each content area, specific competencies, knowledge, skills, and abilities are outlined. Attaining these competencies assures a competent regulatory workforce doing comparable work across all jurisdictions. Let's take a closer look at the regulatory NCS. The NCS is career-spanning and is divided into 4 professional levels: basic, advanced, management, and the stewardship level. There is also a leadership content area, which spans all 4 of the professional levels. For the laboratory NCS, professional levels include entry, mid-level, expert, and director. We find a leadership content area which spans all 4 professional levels and has the same competencies in both regulatory and laboratory frameworks. The laboratory NCS includes a quality manager pathway content area, which also spans all 4 professional levels. The grid is also arranged into major program areas, depending on the regulator's area of focus. Within the regulatory NCS, there are program areas related to animal food, unprocessed food, manufactured food, and retail food. For the laboratory NCS, program areas include chemistry, microbiology, along with specialized laboratories such as animal food and biosafety level 3. For each content area, a competency standard has been developed. Let's take a look at allergens, one of the basic core content areas in the regulatory NCS, as an example. As you can see, there is a description of the content area, followed by a list of topic areas. Within each topic area, there is a description, followed by a set of competencies, including a terminal competency, which is broad, and a series of enabling competencies, which are more focused. Also on this page, you can see a list of learning resources related to the content area, which link out to the course provider. Eventually, there will also be an assessment tool, which can be used by individuals and supervisors to assess themselves, or their staff, against the competency standard. There are many benefits to the NCS. The NCS can be used by learners, training developers, supervisors. Learners can use the NCS for creating a career path or a map for career development. A self-assessment, where they can assess themselves against the competency standard and identify competency gaps. Access to learning resources that can help them attain needed competencies. Training designers can use the NCS for evaluating existing courses and training materials against the competency standard. Accessing blueprints for training design and development. Submitting learning resources, courses, trainings, etc., to be potentially included in the open-source NCS catalog. Supervisors can use the NCS for assessing their staff for coaching and mentoring purposes. Staffing practices, such as onboarding new hires and developing job descriptions. Creating training plans for their staff, based on the training that is needed. For more information, and to interact with the NCS, visit ifpti.org.